Okay, here's some video of my new WL Toys V912 fixed pitch helicopter. Pretty slick little heli. I'm going to take off on low rates. Just do some general flying around here. Pretty darn stable. I bought this to do FPV with. It's going to be really good for FPV. Now that's as fast forward as it'll go on low rates. Now put it on high rates. Quite a bit quicker on high rates. It's a nice pirouette. A little spotlight on the front of it. Not bad. Get up here and do a pirouette. There's clockwise, counterclockwise. Not bad. Outside, you definitely want to fly it on high rates. Really nice little helicopter. I only gave $52 for this one. They normally sell for about $70. It'll scoot right along. Really stable. Long time ago I bought a honeybee, which is about the same size as this, and it was horrible. It was a lot lighter than this heli. Could be right why this thing flies so good. It's substantial. It's got some weight to it. Anyways, nice little demo flight. Get our hands off here. There is. Hands off. That's not bad at all. Once again, there's hands off in front of the camera. A little bit of a breeze, so it's going to get pushed around a little bit, but okay, yeah, I didn't have a full charge on that battery, so I better land it. Here we go. Not bad at all.